What you doing? Are you coming around? Are you creeping along? This is the beginning stages of walking, and your brother. Oh, you're abandoning. Hi. Hi, buddy. Hi, Muffin. Who's coming? Oh, you got another one coming. Oh, and he gripped. You hit battering ramming him right in the booty. Are you giving your brother a kick on the booty? Oh. Yeah. I can see you. Are you cheating? That's your new gumball machine. You guys are pretty funny. You guys are pretty funny. Yes, you are. Are you having a fun time on your Hawaiian vacation? Are you guys having a fun time on your Hawaiian vacation? Oh. Yeah, there's a high chair right there. Otherwise, you'd be able to see the grounds, which is a very nice view. It's a very nice view here in Hawaii. Alright, little muffins. Alright. Here he comes again, I know. Okay.